The law is taking its course. Everything you say, you must prove it in the law court. Don't worry, we are not quiet. We are praying and we are following the matured way we should follow. The truth will come out.
Hello, hi everyone, welcome to Crosslog XC. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Drop your comment down below. My people, Pastor Chris don't come out now say make them show evidence. So now VDM said don't come out say if they no release Doris Oganla, say Kasala go bust to say everything wey dey Doris phone saying get am. Now couple of months or whatever ongoing, you get one pastor wey be say he know about one na blogger being a pastor, no really know much about the guy, but they always tackle African pastors to the extent where we say we get one time where something happened for Chris church about baby testimony, the baby they missing. So this man now, this blogger they let us know say everything where Doris Oganla they talk not true. The man they screen na him na they see for screen. So and he also say baby testimony there is still there where he dey say make na them go really bring the baby out. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Let's listen to him. To the extent we say he even talk say the baby where them bury for that church where Doris Oganla they talk about say no be baby testimony o, say baby testimony dey differently, say na another person they bury for that place. My people, he even talk say African pastors make na they dey careful o. Let's listen to him. Please don't forget to subscribe. Drop your comment down below. You people should be aware of all these pastors. Be very, very careful. Thank you for listening. More only here for him.
DSS, they should go to that church and open that altar. Open his altar. I won't say further than that. When they were building that place collapsed. Somebody died too. But apart from somebody that there is something, there's a blogger that found something on the ground. This man was begging. Called me, say, what do I give to this blogger to close his mouth? The DSS should go and open that altar.
The church altar.
The church altar where he used to stand, that pulpit, they should dig it up and open it.
So many people have been sending me this clip and they are making an inquiry and they are curious as to what are the chances that the body that is being referred to by this woman is the body of baby testimony. Let me clarify this, my people. The body that was allegedly buried under Chris Okafor's altar has nothing to do with baby testimony. Like I told you earlier, baby testimony is still alive. Whatever that you see unfolding today, that's the spirit of the baby that is manifesting. They will all run mad. Mark my words, they will all run mad. I want to give Okafor some advice. Okafor, listen. I know you know where baby testimony is. I know you know. Doris knows as well. But Okafor knows. He knows exactly where baby testimony is. And I'm telling you this because I know. My people, I play chess when it comes to these your spiritual fathers. I line my ducks in a way that they're indestructible. The information I have concerning the matter, it only needs Okafor himself, Doris herself, to come out clean and confess. And tell us exactly where the baby is. They know the exact location where the missing baby is. And I tell you this with confidence. All this noise that you are hearing, it's all leading to the discovery of that baby. The fight that is going on between the two of them has nothing to do with their scandal of, having had a relationship, sleeping together, etc., etc. This is the spirit of baby testimony manifesting. Don't play with the baby test. Don't play. Look at anyone who has ever tried to dismiss this case. Look at everyone. And many people came to try to dismiss this case. Where are they now? They are irrelevant. I won't mention their names, but where are they now? The spirit of that baby is something else. But her allegations of a body being buried under Chris Okafor's altar, that is common knowledge. Everything she's saying is now a confirmation of everything I told you in the Dark Lords of Panin. Most of you who read this book were saying, but Prof, are these not just stories? But what she's saying regarding bodies under Okafor's altar, I cannot dispute it. I can't. There is no African prophetic altar that is not built on the blood of masses. She might have known of only one, but chances are the entire foundation is built on the bodies of those who were sacrificed. It's not only Okafor's case. Okafor's case is not isolated. There is no prophetic ministry. There is no prophetic ministry that is not built on dead bodies. There isn't one. Blood sacrifices are a spiritual currency to the success of a prophetic ministry. There is no prophetic ministry that can ever succeed without a sacrifice, without a blood sacrifice. There is no altar, prophetic altar, that is not built on blood. There isn't one. Look at whatever shrine that you adore, and because of how colorful it is inside, how beautiful the building looks, and you might think it's pure, it's holy. It's not. It's corrupted. The foundation of the prophetic is corrupted. The other spiritual currents of prophetic ministry is sexual immorality. Her engagement with Okafor is not isolated. Her allegations against Okafor, how they were sleeping together and doing all these sort of immoral activities, that is not an isolated case. If they don't sleep with women, if they don't feed the demonic spirits that they carry, they won't be able to operate in the prophetic. They won't. They won't. And I tell you now, many women are coming out to speak. Are coming out to speak. And everything I have told you about the prophetic is being confirmed. And everything I highlighted in the Dark Lords is being confirmed. And the other spiritual currency is money. I told you that they worship the god of Mammon. That's another spiritual currency that fuels this diabolical beast of the prophetic. But let's wait until that baby is out. People will run mad, and we will be patient, as we have been patient, until they release that boy. Just wait, watch the space. That has always been my message, that God will come through for that baby. Okafor, the sooner you break, the better. Speak out, brother. Tell us what you know about the boy, and you might be saved. But I know God, how he works. He's only making you stubborn for a reason. He's making you stubborn for a reason, so that your destruction can be imminent, so that there will be a total annihilation of your shrine. My people,